Y'all be getting in trouble in school, y'all ain't TCM no more. I'm telling you that.
I don't be getting in trouble at school. I don't get in trouble at school. Not no more. Not no more.
Yo, you ever see me running? My bitch probably got my phone. Only time I chase a bitch, a fiend by the door. When your nigga ain't nowhere around. You already know I send her unlock your front door emoji. You know what I'm on. Ayy, slick Rick, she a slick bitch, but she thick. Fucked up, now I'm up again. Now I'm still big sick. I see what you post, but I ain't gon' feed that. When I ain't got all my jewelry, young little kids like where your rings at. Yeah. When nobody giving me nothing or doing me no favors. If it wasn't T3 and Meech, it was me. I had to book my own shows, do my own interviews, and make my own vlogs.
Mayfield, aka the hits, so nigga, what's happening? South Carolina, stand up.
Bro, tell them how you done brought the city out with no promoters, no big nothing, no big.
I didn't add Millie, State,
big money shit,
Queen,
nigga.
Nah,
Fuck that money shit, nigga.
We book our damn self.
Last time I checked, I was a man in the street. Rose gold T3, same color like me. Bow down, pray to God that he listen. Any hate shit, they praying on me, hope he miss me. Hell man.
You don't remember I told us that there'll never be no caviar rap.
And levels to the shit, nigga, like that. He really made people start telling the truth. Joe made them start telling the truth.
You don't remember I told us that there'll never be no caviar rap. But you don't put your shit out there like they can.
In TCM we trust. You already know what it is. We gonna stand on that by any means necessary.
Well, listen,
I got
people
real
say most
stories.
influential.
Bro, I ain't been in jail like y'all did.
Well, you're in the top 5 most influential niggas in the city.
And free tape. That's the king. TCM. Man, this is a TCM city.
I'm really him. You come to my city, they know who I'm in. TCM, that shit everywhere. That shit everywhere. I ain't trying to keep, I'm just trying to ski. What I look like chasing you, and I got bitches who gon' run to me. That little shit wasn't nothing to me. They gon' gun for me, cause they look up to me. Who sure will? She gon' break my run, cause I be paying all her little bills. Wishing they were happy for you. Man, that shit ain't never them. Gotta get out your body and make some shake up by your damn self.
Hey, listen. Y'all wanna hear a hard ass song though in the city? Listen to that motherfucking Glockiana money. ATM money, Glockiana.
Money, he different. He been in a trap by himself. We go to the trap, then they got a 2-3 sleep beside him, bro. Real life. Them other niggas camping, bro. That nigga sitting in the trap with a badass all in that home. 2-2-3. That's why I start fucking with him. He not camping.
Early morning, I just woke up to another nigga dissing. Pussy nigga needed clout. I guess that's why he mentioned me.
They don't get it. See, listen, motherfuckers go through shit, and if you learn, you gonna elevate. You gonna be a better person, but same time, y'all tell a motherfucker who the fuck you is, y'all tell your story. That's a part of it.
It's coming out. No matter who feel what about it.
Yeah. Motherfuckers think you on some getting money, cool player shit, but that motherfucker a bigger goon than your biggest goon.
I said on what I said. Who don't like it? Prove I'm lying.
Everybody debating about who I am and who I'm not, what I will and what I won't do. I'm just glad to show y'all I done changed, you know. I knew motherfuckers thought I was gonna get back out here on that hot boy shit. I ain't terrorizing nothing that ain't fucking with me. And that's how I'm gonna keep pushing it. I ain't never gotta jump back in the street and do another gangster thing. You forgot, I'm the one with the story.
I'm just here to see Million.
Yo.
Fuck the rest. I ain't come to see Rod Wave or Dirt.
Yo.
Dead on that.
Yo, dead on that, you heard him?
Million.
You know, back when I was sitting in that cell, I ain't never see it to be none of this.
Ask anybody who's online.
Boy, you got all the characteristics,
Ask
man.
anybody online.
You a hustler, you a lit some, you a blow some, you a beat a nigga ass, you a goddamn.
Break light, hey, I heard a dog, them ain't got they paint right. Hey, even when it's slow, you gotta stay high. What's the opposite of dark, nigga? Daylight. Keep going, hit a gun, don't hit the brake light. Hey, slow money better than no money. That little baby get at Becky like a snow bunny. Told 12 where it's circle, he don't know nothing. Stop talking me to death, nigga, show some.
That boy beat your ass, that nigga blow you, that motherfucker get more money, I hustle you. Anything you can say. Any better your favorite rap.
I'm really him. You come to my city, they know who I'm in. TCM, that shit everywhere. That shit everywhere. I ain't trying to keep, I'm just trying to ski. What I look like like chasing you and I got bitches who gon' run to me. That little shit wasn't none to me.
Anybody that's in music, like, it's really challenging, it's really hard. You will get fucked over. People will have crazy shit to say about you, make up crazy stories, but it's all about your perseverance and how hard you want to go and where you want to go.
I never listen.
I got
people
real
say most
stories.
influential.
Bro, I ain't been in jail like y'all did.
Well, you in the top 5 most influential niggas in the city.
Billion. Man, I'm so impressed, man.
The about it is, my boy determined. Came out the box, stayed 10 toes down, man. And I know he gonna make it, bro. He gonna put the city on the map, he gonna put SC on the map, and when he get up, he gonna reach back down.
And your passion is so contagious.
You put God first, but anything can happen. I went from sitting in a cell to all this.
August, you grinded it out. You worked at the barbershop. You put money in the bank daily so that you could save up for TCM. Cool. March into August. September, you went and got a logo created from Logos. Then you took that information, went to a lawyer, found your lawyer, gave you a great fee, and you got your LLCs. From there, that happened in October the 6th of 2018. Then from October, you got all your blueprints together. That set you up to go back to Logos and get your first order of t-shirts made in December. Correct. And from December until now, you have profit.
Man, this is a TCM city.
Last time I checked, I was a man in the street. Rose gold T3, same color like me. Bow down, pray to God that he listening. Any hate shit, they praying on me, hope he miss me. Hell Mary time. So you not gonna support my music career?
I'm not paying for no rapping shit. You gotta be 50. Okay, LL Cool J. That's it. It's over. Go get your fucking CDLs.
Let's go. I got ocean views like I'm Nips. I'm trying to see something. You don't do nothing. You ain't gonna get nothing. No be nothing.
But I'm not even gonna lie. He's so smart that, like, I be having to sit back and, like, listen because he's like a reader. He's very intelligent. So it's like a lot of books that he's put me on, like the 48 Laws of Power and As a Man Thinketh and stuff like that. So sometimes I have to sit back and let him take the lead because he know, like, if we in a situation where somebody, I feel like somebody's been tricking us or like on some flaw shit, I have to hit him up like, Millie, this don't sound right. Like,
then I teach her how to reverse it.
Right.
Like, I teach her like how we could use like the fake love as a tool instead of looking at it as a flaw and you want to just disown it.
Right.
No, don't do that. I'm gonna show you how to take your pain and make a profit out of it. Hottest thing in the city, nigga, right now. Nigga cross that line, get walked down. I would get in front of front bows out. This big motherfucker cost me a 9, nigga. Oh, you went to the
general, his mindset is one of a kind. He's smart. He is smart. So he'll really, I mean, really, he don't even have to really say much. If I just watch what he do. I just watch him. You got.
Hey, I don't know who need to hear this, but whatever you going through, keep going so you can get through it. You gotta have perseverance. It ain't no other way around it.
When I say T, you say 3. T. Where's the hottest promotion company in the motherfucking land? Y'all give these niggas a round of applause for making this shit happen right motherfucking now.
Super duper, TCM and T3, they on 9 bigger. Game 7, trying to win a chip and get my reins bigger. Look around, TCM and T3, we who run the city. Gang shit, if you ain't what I rap, then I ain't hanging with you.
TCM, Millie, Million, all of that.
It's all about the Brandon, babe.
What cash at that account?
Yep.
What you put on her?
You know I got her sweet.
No, you don't.
Hey, roll your boat gently down the screen. I had fell off like leaves through trees. Now I'm back up on my P's. Getting money, that's my creed. No, I'm still knocking down peas. No, I'm still trapping for the cheese. No, it's fuck you if it's fuck me. bitches die in your sleep. Know how these fuck boys be.
Colonial Life Arena, get ready for Trey Songz.
It's your birthday, over wild, your Thursday night.
The baby.
Go where I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it. I'm a young CEO, sure.
Jay-Z.
Put your hands in the air one time. Put them bands in the air.
Along with his friends.
10 bands when I started TCM. Then I took them 10 bands and made it flip with TCM. Nigga, I was down.
And you know, believe it or not, on this road to riches and chasing this dream, I've been broke the whole time. I've been taking L's the whole time. I've been having to start over. I've been losing friends, people that I love, and motherfucker trying to count me out. I would have never thought would miscount me. I guess that would come with it.
Hey, you see how little buddy went trying to slander me out, kill me out, saying, oh, he this, then the shit circle the block. He couldn't stand it. He getting accused of being gay, he being accused of doing something to his people and shit like that, and I ain't had to do nothing. I ain't had to go kill him back out. You forgot I know him.
Same nigga I fight that murder with ain't have real love for me. When we took that time together, I thought that we were real G's. And I ain't even see who did nothing, but they still charged me. Fast forward 10 years later, now we don't need speak.
Joey's Story is my favorite song, by far. I get in the car, I let it ride from start to finish. Keep your foot on these niggas' neck.
Hey, Millie. Man, that thing give me mixed vibes, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's like, that shit poetic, that shit raunchy, then that shit just goddamn real talk, like straight facts. And I don't know how I be knowing what the fuck you be talking about, but I be knowing what the fuck you be talking about. Hey, you hear me? Keep stepping on their motherfucking neck till that bitch break. If it breaks, step on it again. Make sure they dead, bro. TCM world for real.
Since you guys start rapping and start getting popular and taking off, how many friends you think you lost in the process of that?
None of my day ones. I lost everybody that needed me.
Okay.
I ain't lost them.
Hey, but then I want to say something. I want to say something about that right here.
Listen,
they bigger.
You ain't never seen me come to you first and say, yo, bro, don't fuck with such and such because of this happened. I don't never put nobody in the business until they already in the business.
Hey, my main man, let a nigga rob him, he mad at me for it. Now he talking crazy on my name like he a psych ward. Before then, I wasn't even gonna say nothing or speak on it. It's in my heart of hearts, I really want the best for him, but ain't nobody tried me the most more than my day one. Why this shit keep happening to me though? Why you wanna be a Rico? You just put me back in beast mode.
How did you fall out with a lot of like homeboys you came up with? What caused y'all to like, you know what I'm saying, to cross paths and like, you know, not be cool no more?
Just for me, being his friend, it got to be some niggas doing it. Like he's saying, like no cap, like it got to be niggas, it got to be a bitch involved or something.
I'm in black on black when you see me out. I put TCM on every hoodie now. She ain't fuck on red niggas, I'm like wow. But then the same bitches wanna do me now. Million. How you let these bitches out here split us up? Run the social media ain't hit me first. I told you me and Loud wasn't fucking around. But you hit me asking why she liking pictures now. But we saw a different picture than you pointing out. That's why I was like, what you talking about? Slick shit coming out my nigga mouth. Instinct, got me seeing blood now. Instant. Had to calm my demon down. That snake shit, I ain't never slithered none. And that's the only thing you and Buck could talk about.
These niggas really running with this narrative. I thought dawg really knew my pedigree. And it kind of fucked me up because I watched niggas choose sides and get in the business who ain't know the real business because I wasn't speaking on nothing. And for that very reason right there, I got to fuck around niggas. Cause you never know who these niggas want to win.
We're a sober gangster, listen. Tell me when I don't get on fire. Then just started drinking out there probably a year or two before he went to jail. Pooh don't get on fire. Goddamn, that's them. That's Joey. The whole time you was this is what I say influential. While he was in jail, when I talk to Pooh, Depp, or Joe, they remind me, I said, God,
put me on this.
You hear me? Bro, that's influential.
I trap a whole month of Sundays. I can't complain about nothing. Pockets on Big Bertha and Big Shirley. Got my hustle working. Catch a cold before I caught a play. It had got that ugly. Now I got my rank up and my bank up. Locked the back door. I can't let them get me how I got you. That's a no-no.
Do you get more feedback when you go out of town or in your own city?
No, I'm local right now, and I'm proud to say that because I'll be able to show y'all my growth. You know what I mean? Right now, I'm not known everywhere, and that's the mission, to navigate out and cover other markets. So right now, I'm local throughout the upstate, and that's about as far as my range as of now. But like with the concerts, T3 associating me with, they becoming an instrumental and prolific part of my journey, because now they getting me exposure, allowing me to do what I love to do in front of thousands, tens of thousands, making my grind nationwide. Shout out to T3.
T3.
Yeah.
Put y'all goddamn hands together for the
Man, it's T3 or nuts. You understand what I'm saying, man?
They just wanna go get it, nigga, dream it, then live it, get money. Stay focused, nigga, fuck bitches. King of my city, like dog, but I ain't from Memphis. Teddy bear to these bitches, to these niggas, I'm a grizzly. Know they gon' hate, but fuck it, come with it. Stack it for the rain, what you think you gon' get? Bubble up, re-up, nigga, believe in the flip.
Taking so many losses to get a win, like, you know, without God, none of this shit'll be possible. I stay prayed up, believe in the energy I put into my prayer, go with my move and let God deal with the rest of it. And it's been my outcome so far.
I used to think this shit was unbelievable until I seen it, nigga. This a fucking story.
True. It's called true. And then we start living that shit, nigga.
I'm telling you, they don't understand that shit, nigga.
We disco balling out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? From the pier to the up, blessed like a motherfucker. You hear me?
Nigga, this is real life black novel, nigga.
San Andrew.
Hood novel, nigga. I'm talking about with everything in.
We blessed like a bitch, you hear me? Man, it's up. Fuck what they talking about, dog. Them niggas playing, boy. We just keep that shit real humble.
I ain't pushing it like these other rappers. I'm out here really trying to make it. I done went broke so many times, climbing this slippery slope, investing in my dream. But perseverance and consistency is the key. I ain't letting up.
You always knew how to draw, you always knew how to write. You always knew how to do these things. This is natural to you. People read books on shit to do like what you do.
So what are you saying?
This is natural to you. You need to start back getting more passionate about your music.
Lead. I'm a good follower, which allow me to be a great leader. But I'm gonna follow a woman before I follow a nigga.
But yes.
Only reason because I watch my mama.
They ain't us. Nigga, I came out watching my mama struggle. Summertime, Eastside Park, watching Fitzgerald study.
Hey, I wanna call his name though.
Don't say his name.
But she leaked this nigga in the head with a time.
Clocked him.
Clocked him. Bam! He told him to get out the house.
Yo,
he ain't going nowhere. Boy, she put it on her.
Mama was a gangster.
She was. I said, man, what happened to you, Tom? Nigga holding this shit like that. Hey, boy, she wet him up quick.
What's some of the wildest memories you remember about my mama?
When she took me around the corner, beat them white people ass and jumping on the table. And he hid me in the closet from the police. New York to stay with me when she shot in the chest down here. That was my aunt, boy. She was real. Y'all better recognize.
What's some more memories you remember about my mama?
When she used to leave that gun under the pillow and your little fat ass used to get it and have it pointed, but you couldn't reach the goddamn trigger.
I watched my mama take her ass and feed the fiends in the horseshoe. I ain't see it then, but she was securing all her income. She a cookie line, building her empire like Lucian. emotions. She'll sell soap to a snail just to feed us. Hey, I knew that I would be this, cause y'all the ones I seen get it. Real shit, I'm up now, I stay down till this shit switch.
I watched my mama hold down the fork when it wasn't a man there. And every
Shout out
man,
to some of the good mamas.
yeah, they out there. You know, so it's like a woman is more dependable, more consistent, more reliable, more creative, more heartfelt, long as you ain't tricking. I went to jail and my whole life changed. My perspective, my existence, how I felt, how I viewed things, everything changed when I went to jail. How I felt about people, how I felt about my situation, the situation I was currently in, where I wanted to go, who I wanted to be. So the first thing come to my mind, become financially literate. Get your weight up and pay them back when you bigger. Like Pop said. All the money that my family was sending me, I pretty much held on to it. And the only time I used that money, if I was going to invest that money into something else to make some more money, like canteen, clippers, TV, all the stuff that people, you know what I mean, worship in prison. Last but not least, there will be people who have a plan for you when you get out. Don't conform. Me and Nula with the rest of the month. They ain't gonna do nothing for none of these hoes. I'ma tell like 50 M's or more. That for sure, I'm sure. I don't want no Dior and shit for criminal. I need scales and bows. I'ma keep on digging till I strike gold. They know what I'm on. Yeah.
That whole part of being witty, the Fox, you gotta understand what he meant. What I understand what you meant when you say you the Fox, because the Fox ain't the biggest in the jungle. He's not the strongest. His teeth not the biggest. He's not the fastest. But he still survived, and he's cunning. He's witty, and still apply pressure, the same pressure as a wolf with less danger. He put himself in less danger than a wolf. You know what I'm saying?
That bitch know she colder than December. I been hitting at her for a minute. Hey, she my Beyonce and on her jigger. I been chasing this bitch my whole life just like a sprinter. She ain't a Pittsburgh fan, but I know these niggas gon' try to steal her. Money bought me happiness when love used to make me miserable. Hey, she my
top 5 songs by Million are
patty cake, I think I can bake a cake. Patty cake, how much on you trap today? I'ma shine you, I'ma show you off before I hide you. Then blow you up and how you feeling like you rap too. You be fine as fuck every time that I see you. He ain't my main man, let a nigga rob him, he mad at me for it. Now he talking crazy on my name like he a psych ward. Before then I wasn't even gon' say nothing or speak on it. It's in my heart of hearts, I really want the best for him, but ain't nobody tried me the most more than my day one. You been talking down, want you around now. Thought I ain't see the envy in your smile, huh? Thought I been lacking, no. Like I don't hear the jealousy in your tone now. Damn. Let the dead bury the dead.
and move on.
Loose lips sink ships.
Nigga did
Because they got them be like, man, he ain't got them this that. They don't know you, man. They got them was up for their time. So they feel like they say I feel like I say, man, I saw how the God that motherfucker got them line about none of the shit he got going on.
10, bro.
The shit y'all talking about, y'all want to do that nigga that did that shit.
Hey, I heard little boy ain't got his pay right. Hey, even when it's slow, you gotta stay high. What's the opposite of dark, nigga? Daylight. Keep going, it'll come on, hit the brake light. Hey, I heard the dog, them ain't got they paint right. Hey, even when it's slow, you gotta stay high. What's the opposite of dark, nigga? Daylight. Keep going, it'll come on, hit the brake light. Hey, slow money better than no money. That little baby get at Becky like a snow bunny.
This motherfucker used to spin the op block and lived on the op block.
That's why they mad at Everett, because he was telling the truth.
Now I'm doing shows, we on the road, Meech got us out the way. But nobody doing arenas before they even knew my name. If I can sell a shirt with a bell on it, I can sell anything. Trap star, I'm backstage, nigga, finessing plays. You ain't never trapped in the horseshoe, nigga, you from the zone. Same niggas who tryna kill you standing in tall yard.
That boy Meech got us out here
Living like them characters in them black novels by Ashley and Jaquavion.
She say all behind your back, catch your flights, none of these niggas. I ain't getting no pussy, I ain't out here being friendly. Don't be making me look stupid to these muffin ass bitches. They all happy where I'm at, don't be closet, keep it pimpin'.
Forever indebted to bro, cause of him, I ain't gotta close my eyes no more to dream.
This how I got respect for you.
I wasn't paying for business. Why? Cause it was us doing the hit. Oh, yeah. Us and them mafia niggas. Yeah, getting accused for killings. Damn.
I was like, boy, this nigga, boy, we have been just got into it somewhere, wherever we the fuck it. And I don't know where you been, but this nigga gonna come through here the next day.
I don't be waving my shit, clutching and pointing my stick, ain't no camera. I'ma point mine at these niggas and let this bitch rumble the moment I raise it.
By his goddamn self, ain't don't need nobody. And the motherfucker say something, he gonna be ready to go. He gonna go.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
he whoever, whenever, like.
When I'm in my tunnel vision, I'm in my mood. Sometimes I just ride through the city at night, thinking about my thoughts. And I think about where I'm at, where I wanna be, and what it's gonna take to get there.
And you wanna go get it, nigga.
Since you got out and started rapping and start getting popular and taking off, how many friends you think you lost in the process of that?
None of my day ones. I lost everybody that needed me.
Okay.
I ain't lost them. Hey, but then I want to say something. I want to say something about that.
Everybody don't know him like
Bro,
me.
he a pretty
I know
boy, he ain't like that. He
everything.
ain't finna do nothing. This,
I know
that.
everything.
I say, what?
I know everything for the bomb.
That motherfucker
I know-
goddamn shake something harder
I
than
know for
any
one guy.
motherfucker you thinking shake.
Sometimes when I be reminiscing, I sit back and wonder, like, how the story would have went if it was still this. If we were, you know, standing on all that shit we claim. Said we would never let it change. Then the internet came.
I tell you that I love you and I fuck with you. Nah, I ain't perfect, but I'm sucker proof. I can't hide from y'all the shit that I be going through. And act like I don't feel when I really do. You my bitch, then be my bitch then. Hey, you love me, then show me that. You can't love for me how 100 round love Jones. And I don't want it, shit, I'm good on it. Did my real life, did my day to day. Soon as it felt like we done made it, nigga, the rain came. I know the feeling when it feel like you can't catch a break. We had to go back to the car and switch up everything, nigga.
Nah, for real, we had to go back to the drawing board with it.
I know you hear that church all in my voice. Know you hear that hurt all in my heart, nigga. Go back to the car and switch up everything.
Nah, for real. This shit right here.
Every time I look in the mirror, I remind myself, nigga, you still in the 80, we still in the 85%. We ain't done enough yet. You know what I mean? To say we special, we ain't special yet. Your outcome gotta be special. For you to be special, your outcome gotta be special. And when I look in the mirror, that remind me to stay humble, cause I ain't done enough yet.
I know everybody what y'all did out here. I know who capping, who not.
I'm out here, man. It's T3 or nuts. You understand what I'm saying?
My city like any other city. I ain't the only rapper out here doing my thing. There's much more rappers. Be on who you like.
They're my new favorite rapper. They're my new favorite rapper. I got them out of all my look. I listen to everybody's little music. I ain't heard nobody that came out new that I like. But I like that Money Boy.
Good morning, I just woke up to another nigga dissing. Pussy nigga needed clout. I guess that's why he mentioned me. I'ma fuck his bitch to get back. That's where his feelings be. He a thug. She say you a scrub. His whole other team. Broke ass nigga ain't got no pencil. I'ma make that boy victim. Pillow talking to them bitches. Got to drop and sit the mill.
The niggas that's in my city, they be getting niggas they flowers. They ain't no hater for real. I mean, it's some, but not the real ones.
Who in like Greenville do you listen to?
As far as like period, like the young niggas.
Period.
Period.
Like just from your city.
My city, you got Lil Ray Durant. He got the streets going crazy out there in Greenwood. You got Lil Jack Buff 45. I listen to him. Got J-Lo Cartel. Eyes the God. You got TC and Millie. That's about it from the shit I listen to.
Yeah.
I feel like their music authentic. Like they really rapping what they going through.
Reals gonna stand on what they say, what they doing, how they feel. And they gonna let you know who they fucking with and who they ain't.
That's why I got a little money hard. No, I like Ben. Hella Ben, boy. Hella Ben gas on my mama. Cartel. There's another nigga straight gas for answer. I don't fuck with all them niggas. Hella Ben ain't capping in this rap.
That real life, you don't never shoot. Yeah, my 3Z going loco, he just shoot, don't take precaution. None of my ops got cars, we stop and park and hit the ball up when he walking. I be speaking, don't count too much, knowing damn well the whole game ready to off some. He was trying to run, I up the gun, these 223s gon' hawk him. All that capping you doing can't slide, the city too small, boy, you know you can't hide.
Niggas that ain't capping. I fuck with Hella Ben.
Boy, guess who else I like? Know what I'm talking about? I like K-Joe. K-Joe.
Pop perk, them in the trap phone. I got different time hoes on roster, hard pick them out like an afro. I know some niggas that kicking that shit on the north, but they get it off on the south though. All these niggas wanna be like Wayne Perry, but keep going out like Alpo.
My nigga, that my nigga, that my thugger, that my thugger. Let's live in color, nigga, and run these commas up. I know you fighting demons, nigga, I know you come from nothing. Hey, I know it. Let's never let this shit hit hard. Us, nigga, when it get rough, nigga, I need us, nigga. If he ain't about no money, then fuck nigga. Yeah, I ain't in nobody game. Get your TCM, and I'm real right with the stamp in the middle. Double up.
Oh, goddamn money.
Time I out get hit, they think it's me. Pop out on your block with monster cream, they be like Listerine. We been fucking for an hour, it's a perk for me. She got super soaker, about to bend her over, make a scream.
Don't live like that, Joey Oliver.
Yeah. Nigga got me fucked up on some rap shit. Hold up, send a rapper my location, yeah, like can you see it? Hey, I dropped see them brother behind that murder, you know what it is. You see them brother behind that murder, you know what it is. Yeah, nigga, I'ma hit shit, I'ma blink shit, I'ma sink shit, I'ma spin a bin. Hey, man, you niggas should thank me, cause I been so chill. Y'all should thank. But it's like these niggas done forgot who the fuck I'm in.
He made people start telling the truth though. He really made people start telling the truth. Joe made them start telling the truth.
What you mad at me for? Now he talking crazy on my name like he a psych ward. Before then, I wasn't even gonna say nothing or speak on it. It's in my heart of hearts, I really want the best for him, but ain't nobody tried me the most more than my day one. Why this shit keep happening to me though? Why you wanna be a Rico? You just put me back in beast mode.
My whole gang in hell is smoke, nigga, we ain't gonna talk about it.
D-Mark got that heat.
I like Hella Ben too, boy. Hella Ben like that. I like his business. Hella Ben like that shit, boy.
Cat rock that you doing, I ain't feeling none of your music. Gang gon' hop out with that stick, he get the bus and acting stupid. In your music, you super gangster. In real life, you don't really do it. In your videos, you got sticks. Out real life, you don't never shoot it.
Like everything, like they already famous. It's levels to this shit, nigga, like that.
Hey,
it's levels.
Guess what? You don't move. I told her, I said, there'll never be no cap in your rap. But you don't put your shit out there like they can. You
I'm all the way tired with a bitch, nigga. When they money ain't right, they start sneak this in.
That fake rap shit ain't get you nowhere. So rap cap, we ain't gonna support no rap cap. Famous album, boy.
He a cool player. He got a good vibe.
He ain't no capper. He don't even be talking like that.
No, he don't talk like
I ain't no
that.
dick ride. I get props when props do, nigga. I don't dick ride nobody.